Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Scholarship World. Let's talk today about Beijing Government Scholarship 2021 funded. The Beijing Government Scholarship is administered by Beijing Municipal Government. The Beijing Government Scholarship Program has been created to support international students for studies to study in different fields in the institutions of Beijing municipality. The scholarship program to study in China aims to attract outstanding international students by providing them with full tuition fee offer. So, undergraduates, postgraduates, bachelor and master and PhD student, degree students, they can apply for this scholarship. So details of this scholarship: countries offering China and universities are under the Beijing Government Scholarship Program, in which this program is going to be held. It is sponsored by Beijing government, and bachelor, master and PhD students can apply. Postdoctoral can also apply. Deadline is from January to March every year. So financial coverage, make sure this is not fully funded program. The coverage will be given in this form, mostly in the form of the tuition fees, full tuition fee scholarship. And for doctoral, this is 40,000 RMB per year, master 30,000 RMB per year, and bachelor degree is 20,000 per year. And senior scholar of the senior scholars who want to come for postdoctoral, this is 10,000 RMB per year. And exchange students 5,000 per year. The list of the universities in which this program is going to be held. This is the list of the universities. There are a number of universities under this program. The whole list is given here. More than 26 universities. And to apply for this scholarship, there is some eligibility criteria for this scholarship. So this is the eligibility criteria. Students must contain a good health, and for doctoral the age limit is 40, and for master the age limit is 35, and for the bachelor degrees it is 30 years of age, and for general scholar program and senior scholar the age limit is 50 years. Then required documents you can go through here. Application form for the Beijing Government Scholarship, and the application form, the applicant shall obtain the form from the higher education institution and download from the website of the institution in which they want to apply. One of the universities you can say from the list of the universities which is given here. So application form can be downloaded from the websites of one of these universities. And then notarized hard diploma and transcript, medical certificate or physical examination form provided if the duration of the study is 6 months or more. Study plan of 400 words, a research plan of 800 words in Chinese or English, and should be submitted for the degree or research students. Applicants for music and art are requested to submit the applicant's own works according to the requirements of the institution in which they are applying. Applicants under age of 18 should provide legal documents of their legal guardians in China. So, how to apply? So this is the link through which you can apply online, and this is the link of Beijing Government Scholarship. You can apply online if you are interested in this scholarship. Make sure this scholarship is not fully funded. This is only tuition fee scholarship. So thank you very much for watching this video. Kindly subscribe this channel so that you can get more updates about the different scholarships around the world. and I hope you understand the video. Thank you very much for being with us, and best of luck for getting this scholarship.